Yo, what up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got some new coilovers from my Integra, and I got them from 1320 Performance. I always say that in like most of my videos because that's where I get my parts from. And I got the coilovers I got are, let's see here, function informed type 2 coilovers. I feel like I got them for a good price. So Naren had them on his EK coupe, yeah. And I really liked how they were on his car, so I got the same one. And you know, they're a good brand. These are the rears, by the way. They came with some stickers, some pretty cool stickers, I guess. So I got the type 2s, by the way. They have adjustable damping, but the type 1s, there's no adjustable damping. They're just you could just raise it up and down, that's it. And they gave us these, but when Naren got his coilovers, it was a different color, but I just got plain black for some reason, I don't know. And they gave us a tape measure and the new, what are these, nuts for the top. Okay, at the bottom these are the fronts, so we're gonna do the fronts first because I got the front lifted up. Yeah, these are gonna be way better compared to these janky ass freaking shock whatever this is. I don't even know, but this should be a pretty straightforward install. So let's get started by opening these. We're gonna start loosening. I don't think you can see. I'm loosen this bolt right here, and then loosen this bolt right here, and then the two on top, and then this thing should fall down, and then we could take the shock out. Alright, so this is how the type 2 coilovers look like. That's the dampening knob right there. And to adjust these coilovers, you don't adjust from the preload. The preload is these on top, and then you adjust the height from the bottom, from this. But as you saw in my video when I was lowering my car with these whatever these are on my car, I had to adjust on the preload because it didn't have this thing, and then that's why my car is riding like crap. It was bouncing a lot and all that, but good thing I got these now. Good thing I'm installing these, and they're gonna be a huge improvement of what I got now. Okay, so I'm gonna have to loosen these nut right here, and I'm gonna have to hold the other side with the wrench, and I'm gonna use this breaker bar to push down while I'm holding the wrench on the other side. Oh yeah, by the way, I sprayed PB Blaster on all the bolts that I need to take out before I started recording. I forgot the nut, but
the thread is just like, you know, stuck on the bushing.
Oh,
that's why.
Yeah, it's hella long. We're gonna have to take this bolt out next, and then work on the top after that. Oh. Okay, it's out. Alright, so I just had to pull the thingy down, and now it's free. Then we got the top now. Oh my lord. Oh my god, I was that weak. Are you kidding me? Because I'm skinny, guys. Look at my arm. It's like a noodle. Actually, this brake line is on here, so I think I'm gonna have to take it off. Alright y'all, I got the brake line bolt that was connected to the shock off. It was a 12. Then I just need to take off this nut, and I could take out the whole thing.
It is.
Okay, you guys can see the shock.
I can't even see the
I'm gonna loosen up the bolt the nut right now, then it should fall out. Oh yeah, by the way, Banarin is doing the other side as we're speaking right now. So we can get this thing done in a quickness. Well, yeah, quicker. Oh yeah, baby. We got this freaking crappy ass thingy out. Finally. Okay, time for the new. Now just repeat the process over. Would you look at that? He got the other side out. The front's right there, and then the nuts right there. Then get your new nuts. Okay, got the nuts on. Okay, there we go. So I put this thingy up. Now I gotta tighten this thing up with 14. So it's tight enough. I don't think I need to tighten up too much. Tightening up the rest of the nuts on top. Then you're gonna need a jack to lift up your brakes, your brake thing. Then you need to line it up with the fork right here. Put back your long ass screw right here. Put in the nut. Same thing in the rear, but the struts are in the trunk. Almost done with the fronts. Can't wait to see how this thing looks. It's gonna look way better. And get rid of this goddamn tie grab that's in the back. Alright, so my dad's jacking it up right now so I could line it up, get it in with the fork. I just need to put this thing in. Now we're done with the fronts. I think it looks like it's gonna be hecka low. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it's good. What you do? Zip tie.
So my dad put a zip tie in that hole for the brake line to hold and onto the fork. Kind of looks ghetto, but it works. And this brake line won't get caught into anything, and he's gonna do the same on the other side. But we can put on the wheel now. Alright guys, we got all the wheels on the fronts. Then we're gonna take out the jacks. Then let's see how low it is. Alright y'all. Both sides gonna be dropped now. Let's see what happens. Bruh. So this is the fronts without anything adjusted yet, and right now it's a 2-finger gap. So, and I think I want to lower it a little bit more. Okay.
So you click all the way on one side and you count the click. How many click? If it's 16, half of 16, you know, 8. So 8 gonna be in the middle. If you want it like not too hard, not too soft, so it's in the middle.
Yeah. To adjust the damping, by the way. Okay, so you're gonna have to take up this trunk liner. Then it should be right. God damn it. Should be right there. These are the rears. So just gonna leave it alone for now with the presets right now, I guess. And then just slap it on. See how it's gonna look. So the bottoms, I mean the rears, just need to take out that long bolt from the fork, and then the 2 nuts at the top, and then you can pull it out. So I guess we're gonna have to take that thing out so this disc, the brakes could come down, and then we could take out the shocks. Okay, we got the driver's side rear out, and that looks disgusting. Okay, here you go. So I just used the jack to raise up the lower control arm so we could bolt in so we could put the nut in. I mean the bolt. Alright, so we got the rears all done, and the fronts I just tightened up the nuts on the top, but they already put back the trunk liner. Then all we need to do now is just take out the jack stands. Wait, first we need to put on the wheels. Alright y'all, the coilover installation is all finished. I know I didn't show much of the rears because oh, well, I only showed you this side doing the rears, but I didn't need to show you guys this side because it's the same process. We ended up reusing the coilovers 2 inches because on the stock setting it was literally like almost touching the top, and this is already almost touching the top too. The damping, my dad set it to 16, which is in the middle of 32, since this is a 32 way damping kit. So I think it should ride not too rough and not too soft, so it's in the middle. Alright, so I took the car for a test drive and it rides smoother. Before, when I went over speed bumps, it was super squeaky and super bouncy, but these are perfect for me, in my opinion. But I low-key feel like the fronts are kind of looks like the fronts are higher, or maybe it looks like the same height, but overall it feels really nice. And I love the damping, how you can change the damping, how soft or how rough you want it. I don't want to say hard because I know Naren, if he was here, he would say that's what she said. But yeah, I recommend you guys getting these coilovers if you're looking for a budget coilovers to go with. With tax in California, since I got these from 1320, they sold it to me with tax for $840. So if you guys are in El Grove or Sacramento area, I suggest you guys go to 1320 to get your function informed coilovers. They have type 1s and type 2s, so you guys could go over there and buy yours. But yeah, I think I'm gonna lower the fronts, but I don't know, maybe not, because I'm kind of too lazy right now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Soon we will go on a little cruise showing how my ride looks rolling. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.